नमस्कार र स्वागत गर्दछु हजुरहरूलाई फेरि पनि मेरो च्यानलमा। आजको भ्लग स्पेशली आजको भ्लग भन्दा पनि आजको भिडियो स्पेशली मेरो स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुको लागि चाहिँ म डेडिकेट गर्न चाहन्छु। सो माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, होप वी all are fine and doing very great in this time of pandemic. We all are taking care of ourselves, of our family members more than ever. We all know there is a lot going on right now. We all are scared, a little bit worried, sad, tensed at the same time regarding our future. But my dear students, just keep one thing in your mind. It is actually written in Gita as well. जे भइरहेको छ या जे भयो त्यो राम्रै भयो, जे भइरहेको छ त्यो पनि राम्रै भइरहेको छ र जे हुनेवाला छ त्यो अझ राम्रो हुनेछ। Actually, no one knows when all this is going to be normal, but just remember one thing in your mind. Every black cloud has a silver lining. So instead of focusing on all the sort of uncertainties, instead of worrying about the future which we don't have any control over, so let us enjoy the present moment, cherishing and showing gratitude to each and every moment for whatever thing we have as of now. This pandemic has also taught us a very important lesson in our life, that our life is so fragile and everything around which our life used to revolve is again so temporary. For right now, we are not supposed to go anywhere like cinema halls, like gyms, like swimming pools, like having parties and gatherings with our friends. So we are trying to live without them as well, which, before we used to think, no, how can we live without our friends? Why not going to parties? Why not having fun with friends in the cinema halls, watching movies? So it is teaching us a very important lesson. So finally we are trying to learn, we are simply learning that we can live without them as well. And it also has given us a very important lesson that nothing is more important than our family and nothing is more safer than our home. So we have now plenty of time to spend with our family, with our friends, with our children, with our near and dear ones. And also at the same time, this particular time has also given us the opportunity to look ourselves, to improve our health, to improve our that kind of things in which we were lagging behind. We are being able to connect ourselves with the supreme power. हामी यसै गरी नै आफूलाई चाहिँ त्यो अनुसारले म्यानेज गरिरहेका छौं, हैन, लाइफस्टाइलमा चेन्जेसहरु ल्याइरहेका छौं। सबैभन्दा अर्को कुरा इम्पोर्टेन्ट भनेको we are looking within ourselves instead of finding a kind of faults in other person. So actually when things are not under our control, we just have one option, and that option is simply let us flow with the rhythm of life, with the flow of life, and that is only one particular option. And but at the same time being grateful to this universe, being grateful to this cosmos. And for sure we are going to get through this situation with more passions, with more compassion, with more care. And yeah, we should not forget at the same time how we are helping each other, how we are simply taking care of each other, of our family members, of our society and humanity as a whole. This is a time which we will never forget for the rest of our life. And no matter we, the management, the faculties, the educational institutions, your parents, your families, friends, will always feel proud of you, the students, because it would not have been possible for us to conduct our online and virtual classes without your cooperation, without your dedication, without your, the continuous support. So we should always keep one thing in our mind, that we are simply a family who are working together in this time of difficulty, in this time of pandemic, in this time of trauma. We are always there to help you, to guide you, to motivate you whenever you need us. Actually, it's just a matter of time, just focus on your studies for right now and put little bit extra effort. जुन हामीले पहिला effort लगाउँथ्यौं त्यो भन्दा simply अलिकति extra effort लगायौं भने obviously we can make things happen. We know the fact that तिमीहरुको जुन तरिकाको अब exam, time bound exam हुनेवाला छ हैन, all these things are obviously taking a toll upon you and your health, but nothing everything is important किनभने you have to think, you have to consider one thing as well. तिमीहरूको 1 year loss हुनबाट पनि यसले चाहिँ बचाइरहेको छ. You know, your 1 year is not wasted in this particular time of traumatic situation as well. So instead of focusing on all those sort of negativities and all those sort of external factors, rather you simply try to invest your precious time, आफ्नो स्टडीज लाई नै अलिकति ध्यान दियो. त्यसै अनुसार चाहिँ पढ किनभने पहिला पढिसकेको छ. सो अलिकति रिभिजन अलिकति त्यही अनुसारले म्यानेज. सो इफ वी आर एबल टु कीप आवरसेल्फ aside from all these kind of negativities, from all this kind of continuous information being overflowed to us at the same time, जति बेला पनि त्यही खालको इन्फर्मेसनहरुबाट चाहिँ आफूलाई ओभरफ्लोड गराएर त्यो अनुसारले तनाव लिनु भन्दा rather you simply try to के भन्ने आफ्नो पढाइमा त्यही अनुसारको मेहनत खर्च गर हैन. त्यसपछि पढाइलाई नै टप प्रायोरिटीमा राख फर स्टुडेन्ट्स एज अफ नाउ. किनभने सबैजनाले everyone is responsible for their own acts. तिमीहरूको एक्टिभिटी तिमीहरूको एक्जामको लागि यु योरसेल्फ आर रेस्पोन्सिबल. एकचोटि टिचरले म्यानेज गरिसकेको छ कोर्स कम्प्लिट गरेर. नाउ इट्स योर सोल रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी. हामी त्यसको लागि वी आर देयर टु प्रोभाइड आवर लेन्डिङ ह्यान्ड. हाम्रो हेल्पिङ ह्यान्ड जहिले पनि तिमीहरूसँग छ. बट one important thing you should also note in your mind is तिमीहरूले पनि अब त्यही अनुसारले पढाएको चिजलाई चाहिँ गहन गर्ने, राम्रोसँगले त्यसलाई चाहिँ अब बुझ्न अझ you still have time. So बुझ्नतिर लाग्ने. So don't focus on all those sort of things. I want to say it from my heart. आफ्नो पढाइ यो अहिलेको जुन टाइम छ त्यसलाई एकदमै राम्रोसँगले इन्भेस्ट गर. पढाइमा नै इन्भेस्ट गर so that you are distracted from all this kind of negative vibes as well. अनि यसले चाहिँ तिमीहरूको फ्युचरमा पनि धेरै हेल्प गर्न गइरहेको हुन्छ. लास्ट म तिमीहरूसँग यही भन्न चाहन्छु, प्लिज फोकस अन योर स्टडीज ओन्ली रादर देन एक्सटर्नल और सिम्पली नेगेटिभ भाइब्स हैन. आफूलाई त्यो खालको इन्भाइरोमेन्टबाट अलिकति टाढा राखेर जति सक्दो आफ्नो हेल्थलाई प्रायोरिटीमा राख्दै आफ्नो पढाइलाई ध्यान दियो. यु स्टिल have time, a lot of time, तिमीहरूसँग plenty of time छ. So please pay attention on your studies for right now because this time won't again come. So अहिले चाहिँ जथाभावी अरू चीजमा मन लगाउनु भन्दा आफ्नो पढाइलाई नै ध्यान दियो. बिकज एज अ स्टुडेन्ट राइट नाउ योर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट ड्युटी इज टु स्टडी भेरी वेल. सो आफ्नो यो रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटीलाई, आफ्नो यो जिम्मेवारीलाई राम्रोसँग गहन गर्दै तिमीहरूले राम्रोसँग पढ्छौ भन्ने मलाई आशा छ. बिकज एट द एन्ड अफ द डे योर रिजल्ट अल्सो रिफ्लेक्ट्स आवर कमिटमेन्ट, also reflects our hard work, our dedication and everything. We are always your cheerleaders, cheering for your success in the days to come. And yeah, अर्को important चीज म तिमीलाई यही नोटेड के गराउन चाहन्छु भन्दाखेरि this teaching job has always been underrated. यो टिचिङ प्रोफेसनलाई जसले पनि एकदमै ओके तिमी टिचर्स हौ, तिमी फ्याकल्टी हौ, तिमी लेक्चरर्स हौ, तिमी वाट एभर, यु आर सिम्पली टिचिङ न गफ दिने जब जस्तो अरूहरूले सोच्नुहुन्छ. बट अरूहरूले भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अझ के भन्नुहुन्छ भन्दाखेरि इट्स सो सिम्पल काइन्ड अफ जब, एज इफ यु आर गोइङ इन अ पार्क, यु आर गिभिङ अ स्पीच, यु आर डेलिभरिङ योर लेक्चर्स काइन्ड अफ जब. बट one thing I want to make them very clear, yeah, of course this is a job which is simply like going to a park. But what kind of park? It's a Jurassic Park. And there we are going to meet students in the form of dinosaurs. And what kind of dinosaurs? Varieties of dinosaurs. At last but not the least, I really miss you all a lot and hoping to meet very soon in the days to come. My best wishes are always with you people. Stay safe, stay healthy. Om Shanti.